Hi Ray, I've got a quick one I think for you. In on the live site I'm trying to test on the live site. Header.php down the bottom. I've tried to hack the code you used before for restricting a certain page. So that's the code for the thank you page, and I'm trying to run this script. So you can find that in header.php. It's for Facebook tracking when somebody makes a purchase, so they land on the thank you page. If I go to, so I'm in Facebook tools here, and I can test in live time what's going on. And essentially, if I go to a website and start activating pages, you can see the timestamp here was correlating to my time, and I've got a purchase on the About Us page. I don't have a purchase on the About Us page. I have a purchase on the home page. Yeah, we've got to go to page view on the home page. Cape Legrand is the purchase. Cape Legrand is a page view. The thank you page is not a purchase, and that's what I've done. I've tried to say that just on the thank you page, use this script to indicate that I'd like to do a purchase. So that code, I go to set up a new events, and I come down to purchase, and it essentially gives me the script here. So I want to enter in $24.95 US, and that's really it. I don't want to enter in these fields, and they don't apply. I just put in quantity 1. I don't know if that would make a difference or not, probably not, but yeah, so there's the script. Copied it, placed it in the header. They say that it needs to go, so Facebook pixel code is there, and the head, and then in the body, the script, inserted into the body. So I thought that that's what I did. Obviously I didn't, but that's what I thought I did here, because there's the end of the head there, and we've got body. I don't know, maybe I need to add some extra code, but I don't know, so I'm asking if you might be able to have a look at that. So that's essentially it, and then hopefully once you think you've got it right, I can come back in here and test and see that if I view any page on Scenic Gems, it would just be a page view, but if I land on the thank you page, it would turn into this purchase event. So yeah, over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.